Hello everyone, welcome to Lord of the Coins. Today we're going to be going over a simple short trade that I did on Bitcoin today. So there's a few things that I wanted to cover in this video, so let's get to it. And before we start, I want to give a quick shout out to my Discord. We're making trade callouts like this every day. This specific trade I called out today at 2:48, and pretty much all the members are currently in profit on this trade right now. We also have a beginner's guide where we help you learn about all the breakout patterns and pretty much all the basics of technical analysis and market maker concepts. So we also do challenges like 1 to 10K challenges. We have daily market updates. And if you look at the profits here, you can see that someone made $55,000 in 2 days and just continuous profits. This guy made 645% on his investment. So this is great. So make sure to join the Discord. It's a great community, and we're just all here to help you learn and become a better trader. So that was a quick shout out to my Discord. Okay, so back to the video. So a couple things I wanted to talk about. A few days ago, when was this? This was Tuesday, October 11th. So I guess it was yesterday. We had a big impulse move. This is known as an impulse move where you have accumulation right here, and then market makers literally just wick out everyone who went short, and then they wick out everyone who went long. So now that the board is clean, we get a pretty good sense of direction. So after all the liquidity is wiped, we can see that now the market's back in an uptrend. So that is one of the key notes, that after an impulse move like this, true direction is shown. So after that, I make sure to mark out the impulse range top and impulse range bottom. So now the chance that we just range between this impulse move is very high. And this is mainly, I believe the main reason that we're not moving much and we're just kind of ranging in this impulse range is because the CPI release on Thursday. So people are a little hesitant to take trades right now. So yeah, definitely take advantage of ranges that form like this, because it's pretty much just free money that you could be trading. And the way you trade this, there's several ways. One way is to split the zone in half, and then you have your VAL, which is a value area low, and your VAH, which is a value area high. Pretty much, which means that's overvalued, and value area low is the premium zone. So pretty much you want to go long in this area and want to go short in the top area. Very, very simple. So as for this trade that I took, I saw all these relatively equal highs. So you can see here's a high right here, 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 and here. There's just a bunch of highs, which means pretty much all I see is money right here. I just see a ton of liquidity, a ton of stop losses set right here. So I know that since we're in an uptrending market, all of this money, everyone who went short here is gonna get wicked out. So that was one of my confluences on where the price action was heading. And then on top of that, oops, if you look over here, we also have a fair value gap on 5 minute on this candle right here, which I've kind of marked out in this gray box, which also makes a great attraction for price. So now that I had these two confluences, literally the main two are the fair value gap and the liquidity. Like I feel like if you have these two, you're taking a relatively safe trade, in my opinion. So I'm going for a quick day trade here. So pretty much I have these confluences, so I set my target to the top of the fair value gap since I believe it's going to get filled, and then I set my stop right above the fair value gap. And as for profits, I do believe it's going to take the liquidity on this wick, at least, maybe this wick. So for take profits, I can see us probably going here to this wick before reversing, or this wick. I don't think we'll dump past this unless the CPI information is really bad tomorrow, but I think either way we are on a local downtrend. So yeah, that's a very simple explanation of why I took this trade. yeah, pretty much just understanding smart money concepts and just what the market makers are trying to do, because they're not in the business of losing money, and every time you win a trade, they're paying you out. So, and you know, market's manipulated. It's pretty rigged. There's a lot of algorithms, and you're trading against algorithms. So, if you ever need like a competitive edge, make sure to join the Discord. And yeah, we'll be making trades like this every day, pretty much. And some days, you know, of course, some days aren't meant for trading. I believe New York session today was not a good day to trade. There was very little movement, very little volatility. So it's really hard to day trade during those times. But it's a good time to just like be on the charts and getting your charts ready for the big move that's going to happen, which I believe, you know, we might see some direction tomorrow after the CPI release. So yeah, if you guys enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, as a lot of my information or a lot of my content is pretty timely. So yeah, make sure to do that if you guys enjoyed it, and join the Discord. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.